Hi, I'm Tracy Townsend, an account manager with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today I'm going to walk you through using the provider directory, which is accessible through the Connie portal. The directory listings are a composite of multiple public and private data sources, including but not limited to provider contact information as provided to Connie. To access the provider directory, log into the Connie portal and select the provider directory tile. From here, you can search for a specific provider or provider type based on several different search criteria, including name, NPI, organization name, specialty, or provider type. And as you can see here, you can also drill down to a specific location. Once users include any of the search parameters in the search fields, the search button becomes accessible. If you're looking for a specific provider, you can search for their name here. If you're looking for contact information or more detailed information on that provider, you can click the Show button to review the provider details. Provider details include the following information: name, NPI, organization, specialty, provider type, location, whether the provider accepts Medicare, license, education, and hospital affiliation. The provider directory also allows for misspelled names, or you can search for only first name or only last name. To perform a distance search, check the Use Distance Search box and include either the full address or zip code. The radius distance defaults to 10 miles, but may be adjusted. Selecting search displays results by distance from the radius in a search criteria. For example, here I'm searching for all pediatric providers within 5 miles of the 06790 zip code. To clear a search and begin a new one, select the Clear button. This will bring you to a new search page. If you find any discrepancies in your data, please contact Leap Orbit at convergent@leaporbit.com and include your first and last name, NPI number, and information on what needs to be corrected. If you have any questions about using the provider directory, please reach out to your Connie account manager.